Welcome back to my channel. Hello great people, and we're going to do some lip swatches today. So I have those colors that I talked about, and I'm going to show you some of them on my lips. So let's start the swatch. Okay, here we go. Swatch number one. We're gonna do that red Roma. So let's put this red Roma on and see what it looks like. Have a little gloss on my lip. And we're going to do red Roma. This is red Roma. So let me take this one off and we will do the next swatch. And let's do the next swatch with red as well. So let's take this red Roma off. And I am using the Mary Kay Micellar Water. It's good to remove lipstick. It's good to remove the makeup off of your face, but I don't suggest you use this for any of your eye makeup remover, because we do have an eye makeup remover, so I suggest you use that one. So let's try the next red. It looks like on your lips. So this is don't have any lip liner on, so that's red Stiletto. And I think this is a great color for the holidays. Red is beautiful for the holidays. And remember, ladies, because you have a little deeper skin, don't mean you can't wear red. So let's remove red Stiletto. And that's our number 2 lip color. Let's see what we have next. And remember, the micellar water gets all of that off of your lips. Yes, I'm loving this to get off of my lips. Okay, let's try this next color. So now let's see what color we have next. Let's try the Grazie Violet. And remember, I told you the Grazie Violet reminded me of MAC's Heroine. So this is Grazie Violet. So let's try this one. Grazie Violet by Mary Kay Cosmetics. See how pretty that is on the lips. And I'm putting more on because, like I told you guys, my lips have that dark tint to it. So I really have to sometimes pack my lip color on. But this is Grazie Violet. So let's take Grazie Violet off. And I'm going to show you the MAC lip color that I have that's just like this one. Has the same look. Mary Kay's is probably a little more, it's less expensive. Our lip colors are $18. They retail for 18 bucks. So this is MAC's Heroine. See those similarities? Honey, honey, honey. That is the same color. Same color. Same lip color. And I'm telling you, compared to same lip color. So The first one was Grazie Violet, and I was comparing it to show you what it looks like with the matte color. To show you those the same colors. So I'm going to take this off, and we're going to go on with the next color, or my next favorite color. Hope I don't have, trying to get this stuff off, honey. I don't want to have red lips, gray lips, pink lips, purple lips. So let's go again. We're going to do Matillo. Remember I talked about Matillo. Let's put it on. And it's a deep wine plum color. This is Matillo, the one that I talked about that's great for the fall. Pretty. So, let's continue with the swatches. My lips are getting a little dry, so I'm going to put a little bit of my Satin Lips on. And this is our famous Satin Lips, and it comes in a set. It comes with a lip scrub as well and a lip balm, and so it is very good for your lips. Not drying at all, doesn't mess your lips up or make your lips peel or any of that nature. It's a good lip balm. So let's go with the next swatch, and we're going to do Paparazzi Pink. On. Okay, ladies, this is Paparazzi Pink. So, for all you paparazzi jewelry sellers, you'll want to get this lip color. It is Paparazzi Pink. And like I said, this is another pink for those ladies who are deeper skin tone. My lips have that tint to it, so I don't have to use a liner. I can just put it on and go. So let's continue on with our swatches. So I'm gonna take our famous Micellar Water that I talked about and get this one off. And we're going to go to another pink. And we're going to do the Trademark Pink. That's next. Let's get the pinks going. Okay, Trademark Pink. Now this one, I will need a little bit of a lip liner with this color, because this pink is pretty bright. So once you throw the lip color on and put your lips together, it still will be a great color. So this is this is Trademark Pink. I'm sorry. Trademark Pink. Let's go to the next one. So I think what I'm gonna do is my Mauve Moment and my Blush Velvet. And I'm gonna make sure, if you see me looking, that I don't have any lipstick on my teeth, because it's easy to get those deeper colors on your teeth. So if you see a little lipstick on my teeth, don't mind me. We're gonna keep going. So I'm going to do Mauve Moment, and then we're going to do Blush Velvet. And these two are really similar, but you can see the little mauve in this one here versus over here. So let's try Mauve Moment. And I love Mauve Moment because it's an everyday lip color. You can just about put this on with a lip liner and wear it daily. I wear it a lot of times to work. But like I said, I do it for me with the lip liner. So this is Mauve Moment. And we're gonna go to the next color. So let me get this off and we're gonna put on the next one. I hope you ladies, gentlemen, whoever's watching is loving this video. And I am enjoying putting on these lip colors for you guys instead of putting them on my hands. This is Blush Velvet. It is a nude, and we love a nude lip with a neutral eye color. And I do wear this one also with a lip liner at all times. This is Blush Velvet. So we have maybe one more color here to put on, and my last color is one of my lip colors that is going to be great once again for the fall. I'm going to add a little bit of my lip balm to my lip because I'm steady putting these swatches on, so I need a little something on my lips. So the last color is very famous. This is very famous. Very famous. Pretty fall color. So this is my last lip color. The only other color I want to talk about is, I showed you two reds, the red Roma, red Stiletto, but MAC has a Ruby Woo, a lip color. It's been out for some time now, and it was one of my colors that I always used. But the MAC colors, I showed you the Heroine and this one, it's kind of drying, so you do have to use a little something with it. But with Mary Kay's semi-gel lip colors, they're not drying, and that's why I love them. So you don't have to really put anything on your lips. They won't dry your lips out. So don't you guys forget to do a couple of things for me before you leave. Make sure you like and subscribe, and also hit the notification bells so you don't miss an upload from me. Thank you guys, and see you in my next video.